Welcome back to Kushka Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because look where I'm at. I don't remember the exact number of this road, but I just call it the pits. We are near Coffman Cove. Coffman Cove's back in there somewhere. Got old Peg, the Alaskan Overland rig here. Been posted up for a couple of days, one of my favorite spots. But I need to get out of here, make a town run. So I'm going to head over to Coffman. But I thought I'd show you this real quick. Maybe do something fun here with this fire pit. So I've been like off and on rebuilding this fire pit for years. And I haven't done it in the last couple of years, maybe even longer. But starting to look a little worse for wear. So I'm going to go ahead, pull the wood out, pull these rocks out, and we're going to rebuild this fire pit here. No real strategy besides start with the big rocks first, pile those in. I'm going to try to make it as tall as possible, because the whole point of a fire ring, besides holding the fire in, is so that it traps that heat and radiates that heat and makes your fire hotter longer. Otherwise the fire is just blasting up into the atmosphere and dissipating. But if you can hold that heat in the rock a little bit, let it radiate nice and slowly, your fire will stay hotter longer. You'll get to enjoy it more. Oh, Yeti's waking up. Here's me stirring. About time. Been sleeping all day. Waiting for the drone to charge up too, so I can get you some sweet drone footage. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up. But it's finally not raining, so let's go ahead and do this. Man, this view just never gets old. It's a pretty popular spot to take four-wheelers, side-by-sides, and whatever you want, really. Got some fire pits down there. That must have been an old covered area of some sort. But I'm going to set you up, put you on time-lapse, and we're going to go ahead and get this done. There we go. Good enough for our purposes. Now when I come back periodically, have a nice little fire pit. Dug it out a little bit. Looks like people use this to burn their trash. That's okay, I guess. I didn't go too crazy with it. There's not a lot of big rocks around here. And you gotta be suspicious about piles of rocks as well, because it's probably where someone took a shit. Ooh, there's a good shot for you. Okay, I'm gonna check that drone, see if we can get some good drone footage. Pig's doing good here. Blew up one of our overload springs, so I swapped them out for a cheap set I can pick up in town. I'll toss on the Bilsteins when I get back. Oh, let's go there. All right. Okay, that's it for me. Got some drone footage. I only had a partial charge, so I just got a little bit of flying around in, and hope you enjoyed that. It's pretty fun making doing that sort of footage. Playing with the drone for first time on this trip. Anyways, I'm gonna head into Coffman Cove, maybe get a bite to eat, get a couple of supplies, then maybe make the journey all the way up to Whale Pass and Exchange Cove. I got a long day ahead of me if that's where I'm going. Show you the place one more time here. Got some trash to throw away. Pig is doing great, as you would expect. So far, getting about 15 miles per gallon. Not bad for a big pig. I think we can do better with some good tuning and maybe a transmission upgrade. Of course, if we dump the camper, to get a lot of fuel mileage that way. And at some point, I would like to do a electric fan conversion, just see what that does. But them shits are expensive, so that'll be another day. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're having a good time out there. Hope you're getting some camping in. If not, hit subscribe if you haven't, and I'll take you on little field trips like this throughout the rest of my stay here. All right, rolling out.